Hello everyone, this is April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio, and I wanted to share with you today some new resources available on my website for those that are learning or for those that are teaching. So we're going to go to bananamoonstudio.com. That's my homepage. And from here, you can find these resources at Learn to Crochet. So you'll click there, and that brings you to this page. If you want to navigate to this page directly, you can type in bananamoonstudio.com/learn-to-crochet. So that's how you can get here. What this is a collection of all the free resources that I have to help teach people to crochet. So if you are a brand new beginner and you want to learn to crochet, I have great resources here to help you. But also, if you need to learn to read written patterns, I also have resources here for that. If you are looking for a beginner project or for easy projects to crochet, I also have those here. And then also, if you have all the basics down and you're ready to build your skills, you can find those here as well. So to start off with, if you are not already familiar with crochet pattern abbreviations, I highly suggest you sign up for my newsletter right here. And then in an email, you will receive my free downloadable and printable crochet abbreviations chart, which you can see in miniature right here. All right, so if you are a brand new beginner, you'll want to start right here with learning the basic stitches and then also how to finish and fasten off. These are all video tutorials, so you'll be able to see how those basic things are done. And then if you are a brand new crocheter, I highly suggest my beginner bracelet as your first project, which if we click here, then you'll be able to see right here what this looks like. It is a simple cuff bracelet that closes with a button. So you'll be able to get that written pattern as well as video right here. And the video is geared towards brand new crocheters. So I go very slow so that you can see everything and exactly how to do it. And then if you know the basic stitches and you are ready to learn to read patterns, then I have resources here for that. So first of all, part of learning to read patterns has to do with learning those abbreviations. And again, this will take you to where you can get that crochet abbreviations chart. And then these 6 videos right here, each one of these is a video that walks you through a very short pattern explaining all of the abbreviations and formatting. These first 5 are all part of a floral garland pattern that is free on my website. And each of these has a video to walk you through the different motifs involved in that. And then this Bruges bracelet is a separate pattern, but in each case, the video goes through very slowly and explains exactly how to read the pattern and then shows you what that looks like when you actually follow those instructions. Then this section gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 suggestions for easy crochet patterns to try next. One of those is my Ada shrug right here, which is a big cozy blanket shrug that's very easy. So those would be great choices for your next projects. And then stitch patterns are specific combinations of stitches that have their own look and texture to them. And so these 6 tutorials each contain a video showing you how to do those different stitches. And then for those that have all the basics down and know how to read patterns, this last section is filled with videos to teach you intermediate skills and also additional things you might need to learn, like joining in a new ball of yarn, or things like how to seam a sweater or how to wash your handmade items if they can't go in the washer and dryer, things like making fringe, but then also various crochet techniques like Tunisian crochet or intarsia color work. So Everything that I have to offer free to learn to crochet is in this one spot, all organized by section. I do still have a few other tutorials available that are specific to other patterns, and I haven't listed those here, but you can find those as you look at other projects that I have available for you on my website. So I wanted to make sure you know about this great resource if you have things to learn, or if you are teaching someone else and you can't be there to show them everything, you can direct them to my Learn to Crochet page so that they can get the instruction that they need when you can't be there to show them. And I hope that this is a great resource for you. And as always, have a lovely day and happy crocheting.